See you next time at Vaquita.
See you, brother. Looks good. Store that I've ever seen so far. I grew up with this. I'm from South Africa. Good day, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're outside a place called Vaquita Flea Market. It's the largest indoor flea market in the USA. They say that more than 1 million people come through here yearly, and people come from all across the world, all across the country, and on an average, on a weekend, you get over 25,000 people just walking through the doors. That's not the main reason why I'm here. Normally, I actually go to places like Forsyth County or Gainesville, where people tell me not to go to. But today, I'm at a place where people told me to go to. Reason being, I asked them, where do I get the best type of Mexican food? And they're like, down here in the south, you gotta go to La Vaquita. So I said, okay, I gotta go here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go inside and see what they basically have for us. It's like 9:30 in the morning and the place is already like almost halfway full. So I see that they have like games that you can actually play, gambling games. I think they say the food court's actually upstairs. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna actually go up there and get some food. Because it said that if you come too late, a lot of the stores actually, the food is all done by 11. They got Papa John's here too. Wow, I think this is the place. Looks good. I'll be back. Let's see what else there is here. Oh, they got mole and asada. Like the way the food is placed out. Looks good, the food looks good. Spice hut. Let's go check on this side what they got. See, nachos, tacos. How you doing, brother? Hey, your food looks the best, man. I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm gonna try the tacos, right? Let's do asada. Yeah. Let's do 2. Yeah. Corn. We're definitely gonna be doing the tortillas. We're gonna be the tacos. Sorry? Yes, please. Oh no cheese. Cheese is not authentic, eh? That's what they say, though. Okay. The guy actually gave me some free fries right now. It's called Papas. Let's try it out. It smells really nice. That's good, brother. That's good. I think that's the best fries I've ever had in the States so far. Okay. I might be back for this. It's called honey chipotle fries. Oh my god. Best. That's crazy. Ooh, the fries is that good. It's spiced really nice. I mean, there's a hint of vinegar there. It's a little spicy as well, which is really cool. We're going for super hot. We're gonna go with their recommendation on everything on it. This looks fire. It's very loud here though. The music, the people, the vibe is pumping. I can just imagine after lunchtime what this place is gonna be like. It smells so good, it smells so different. They asked me if I wanted very spicy, super spicy. I said yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna go in and get this jalapeno first, bro. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Cauliflower. I never thought you'd put cauliflower in the taco. Oh, that's really good. So it's like it's all pickled. There's onions as well. All right, I'm going in for the first bite. Oh, the meat's just falling off. Ooh, that's good. That's the best tacos I've ever had. The corn is so fresh. Man. That hot sauce with the sour cream, this fuses so good with the guacamole. Truth is, this is not super spicy though. For me, this is, I would say it's hot. Guys, if you like Mexican food, you gotta come into La Vaquita. That's crazy. That's nice. That is a little spicy. It's marinated. It's roasted. Glad I got two. One more time, bro. You know what? So we actually got them for $3.75. I've had average tacos for the same price. It's filled up. Like, this is well worth it, bro. This is, I don't even know how to explain it to you. It makes me not want to buy tacos anywhere else again. Like, this is value for money. Oh yeah, I'm breaking a sweat though. Here we go again. I got my nose leaking. The way the flavor comes together, the spiciness, the coolness of the sour cream, the crunch of the onion, the smoothness of the guacamole, how it comes and soothes the spiciness. You know, the meat is done and spiced so well. Like, there's so much of flavor in this thing. The cilantro comes in with the tomato and the onion, with the lettuce. Bro, this is life-changing. Best tacos. My man, number one. It's the best I ever had. How you say the name of the business?
Torticlan.
Okay. Guys, you gotta come here. You got anything to say?
We'll see you next time at Torticlan.
See you, brother. Very good, guys. Very, very good. See, they got ice cream, that stuff there. Then next. All right, so let's see. Maybe get some agua fresca. It's a cocoa movie. What is this? I'm gonna try the agua de Jamaica. We'll go from there. Hi, how are you? Can I try the agua de Jamaica, please? Thank you. Let's see how much that is. This is really nice vibe. Coconut. How you doing, brother? Good. Oh, thank you very much. So they gave us some to try. This is the agua de Jamaica. Oh yeah. Yeah, please. Let's do a small. That's good. Let's do this good. It comes with ice. After that tortilla. Yeah, it is. Let's see what it looks like. That's all, thank you. This is a cool vibe, cool store vibe. Hey guys, see you, brother. This is proper, bro. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what it's basically doing. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, there's a small dog. How you doing? You good? Good, brother. They say these clay cups actually purify, like the water add minerals and stuff when you actually drink. People do a lot of mojitos and stuff in there, or margaritas. Let's see. Nothing that I can carry right now, but we'll be back. Thank you, brother. Have a nice day. Can't carry anything right now. Hats, boots, dresses. It's a nice vibe though to come on a Saturday or Sunday. The music is pumping. Everything's very good. That's it. Let's give a big up. Very good. Very good. It's very good, brother. So come on, this is place the Coco Move. come on through and have a drink, man. Especially after one of the last years. Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon. Nice. I actually feel like I'm in South America right now. You wouldn't say in the States. There's even an outside section, I think. Let's check it out. Oh, we got a cow, man. So there's food outside. There's a whole outside market. This place is massive. It's huge. You can find almost anything here, bro. From rope to food to second-hand tools, fresh fruits and vegetables. Apparently they say they have animals and stuff as well. I can hear dogs barking, but I don't know where it is though. I think it's back there, but we're gonna go check it out. Everything from bamboo to medicine plants to fruit trees, Christmas trees. Everything is here, man. Man, they got pony rides for the kids. I'll break that pony's back. That's crazy. Let's see, fresh produce. I like the way everything is like secured in their own categories. I think we're near the animal section now. I can hear the chickens. The chickens came home to roost. That can wake you up in the morning. That's cool. So if some of the parents want to go and shop, they'll be able to leave their kids there with someone, with another adult. That's cool. Oh, this is a kids area. There is an arcade, bro. That's fire. Let's see. That's crazy. An arcade in a flea market. I've never seen that before. Man, we got a barber shop and everything. Let's see what else these guys got for us here. It stinks in it though. It's too busy. We'll go back there. Oh, they got a bull riding, bro. Don't tell me they got dodging cars there as well. Oh, that's crazy. We'll come back. Man, soccer talks. That's a lot of shoes. They call cleats in the US. We call them soccer boots, talks. Bless you. Slip knots. I can picture how crazy it's gonna be. Oh, this is a cool store. Wow. This is a cool store. That's crazy. Everything glows. That's crazy. I feel like I'm in a fantasy land. Man, I gotta say, you got the best store that I've seen so far.
Man. Thank you.
Guys, you're gonna come here.
Okay,
I feel like I'm in a fantasy world. Beautiful. Thank you. All you gotta do is follow the lights. So what's this section here? It's an exit though. That's crazy. Now there's actual rides there, bro. Hey, blood in, blood out, bro. What are the locals? Wow. This is the coolest store that I've ever seen so far. I grew up with this. I'm from South Africa. I grew up with blood in, blood out. This is crazy. I'm telling you, crazy, man. I told you. There's some fire stores here, bro. I remember watching Blood in, Blood Out when we were younger. There's a lot of like medicine or medicinal sections too. Man, there's some really cool stores in there. I can see how it gets crazy here. People say that sometimes you can't even walk through the aisles. That's probably going to happen after church because you might get your influx of people coming in after church here. Hey, highlight of my day so far, definitely the tacos, but also those two stores, those t-shirt stores. If I had to choose though, the best from both, definitely the Blood in, Blood Out, the Vatos Locos. Definitely coming back here the next time. Massive amount of parking as well. Yeah, come on to La Vaquita, man. You got everything from food to tools to clothing, you know, to jewelry, fresh produce. There's even a garage sale place. But if you're just coming for anything else, the food, oh my god. All right guys, see you at another adventure. Peace out.